Hey everyone, I'm Chris Anderson from Science Around Cincy.
And we are the Bug Chicks.
I'm Jessica Honecker.
And I'm Christy Reddick, and today we're going to show you how to find bugs in your own backyard. So we're holding nets right now because we're going to be sweeping around in the grasses looking for insects. Now, my net has seen better days, and it's not actually a sweep net.
It's just well loved.
Right. Yeah, so this one's a sweep net, and you can tell because of the linen here, it's sort of sturdier as it sweeps through the higher grasses and things. So what we'll do is we will walk through this sort of weedy area and we will sweep it side to side like this, and then we'll flip the net over so the end goes over the top and traps the insects inside. Now, when you open a net, always bring it up like this. Don't look into it like this because bugs fly up and they're gonna fly right up your nose and you're gonna lose them, which is the worst. All right, let's do this. Ooh. More brush, less air.
Okay.
Faster. Don't be afraid.
Yeah, use 2 hands for leverage.
Go for it. And flip. Yes.
Oh, that
nice.
flip was kind of pro.
Do you love science? Of course you do. So stay up to date on all things Science Around Cincy by subscribing to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at SciAroundCincy.